Ito. Hi, Bella.
Yes mga ka-Drops Entertainment, ito na si Bella at Ashley. So gagala na naman kami guys because today is holiday, Friday is our weekend. So time for gala nila Bella at Ashley. So ito na guys, gagala natin sila dito sa Sandy Beach, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Yes, napakaganda ng sunrise guys. Yan ang hinahanap namin guys tuwing Friday guys. At least may sinag ng araw guys for vitamin D guys. Yan, dito lamang sa Sandy Beach, Al Khobar, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Napakaganda ng sinag ng umagang kay ganda guys. Tingnan nyo guys, napakaganda, ang daming tao, napakalamig dito ngayon araw na to guys. Yan, napakaganda ng araw. Look at that guys. So beautiful sunrise from Al Khobar, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Yan guys. Alright. Napakaganda din guys ang Al Khobar. Na talagang nagbo-boom sila ngayon guys. Yan talaga guys. Nirevise nila ang beach guys. Napakaganda. Nasa tabi lang to ng Salt Al Bahar guys. Napakaganda ng umaga guys. So punta kayo ng McDonald's guys for our breakfast. Yan, sige guys. Yan, pagkatapos na kaming galing doon sa beach, punta na tayo sa McDonald's for our breakfast. Ayan. Naka-order pa lang tayo guys. Maya-maya lamang, magbe-breakfast na tayo guys. So ito na ang order namin. Yan, for our breakfast. Okay guys, so maya-maya lamang magbe-breakfast na tayo guys. Mag-time-lapse tayo during our breakfast. Yan. Okay, nakahanda ng order natin guys. Yan. Alright. Yan. Okay, napakasarap ng french fries, burger. Yan. Okay guys. Today's video guys, because today is our day off. Yan, si Bella at Ashley guys. Meron din silang para sa kanila guys. Yan. Time-lapse muna tayo. Yan, para madali ang ating kain. Time-lapse na lamang guys. Alright. Okay. Yan. Kasama ang ating mga tuta. Si Ali at Bella. Ashley at Bella guys. Okay. Alright. Yan. Thank you for watching. That's for today. Bye.